we are going to grow vegetable soup. We're ready to work and our tools are all ready too. So let's see what tools we have. We have a rake, we have a shovel, and we have a hoe. So we use all these to garden and stuff with. We are planting the seeds. So here's our seed bag, here's our little seeds. So we have, let's see how many seeds we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 different kinds of seeds.
Sit down. Sit down so everyone can see. Why are you drinking?
He's like, it's a pup.
Pick them out. You want to drink the wine.
And all of these sprout. Look, so we have all of our little plants sprouting. Sprouting is when it comes up out of the dirt. We give them water, so watering all their plants, all their vegetables, they're watering it.
I just picked them up.
And wait for the warm sun.